Hello guys, we're gonna start creating our first COBOL program. This is gonna be a simple hello world program. So let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna create a member. The name of the program is gonna be COB002. You can choose whatever names that you want. So I'm gonna edit mode and command line. I'm gonna use the codes command, so it shows me the numbers on the columns. So now the COBOL program is divided in 4 divisions. Okay, so the first one is gonna be the identification division. This is our division start in the column 8. Okay, this column. The column 7 is for comments. So the next division is environment division. The next division, data division, and procedure division. Okay, we have our first divisions. Now in the identification divisions, we're gonna declare the program name, program ID, COB002. Okay, now we're gonna put some comments here in the column 7. Start the comments, so you can put something like this just to have a little more simple hello world program. Okay, now okay, now in the data division we're gonna declare the variables. So we're gonna declare a new section. This section is to declare the variables. So working storage sections, working storage section. This is used to declare variables. So we're gonna declare the variables to save the hello world phrase. So in order to declare the variables, this is gonna be alphanumeric. So you can declare in the variables and start in this column, the column A. Now you need to declare the variables using a level. So we have level 4001 to 45 to declare any variables. Okay, so we're gonna start with the level 01, and the next is gonna be the name of the variables. So we're gonna use as a standard WS, like working storage hello. Okay, so this is the name of the variable, and this is the level that you are assigned and this variable. Okay, and now I wanna tell that this variable is alphanumeric. Okay, in order to declare the alphanumeric, you need to use the peak. Okay, now it means alphanumeric. Okay, peak, it means that you are gonna declare a variable with an alphanumeric. Okay, now we're gonna tell the length of this variable. Okay, in this case we're gonna use 12. This is the declaration of these variables. Now we're gonna start creating something like a paragraph in procedure division. Okay, in procedure division is used to declare all the sentences, like arithmetic sentences, display sentences, compute sentences. So you can declare like a paragraph or method. In other language it's called like a method. In this case I'm gonna put this name, main paragraph. So now we're gonna declare some sentences. The sentences you need to start in the column 12. Okay, 10 in this column. So we're gonna use the sentence move to move the phrase hello world. We're gonna move in this phrase to the variable. Okay, and just moving, and I'm gonna display the variable. Okay, and I'm gonna stop run the program. So basically this is just moving the phrase to this variable and displaying in the output what it contains, that variable, and stop run the program. Okay, so in the working story section we're defining the variables, and the procedure is where just declaring the sentences that the program is gonna start using arithmetic on string, some sentences like move, compute, subtract, so whatever. So we're gonna save the program. Now we're gonna compile the program. For this case the compilation is different for different systems. Okay, in my case, for this environment, I'm just using a COBOL, and JCL to compile. Okay, there are another system that using some tools to compile, but at the end this tool is just submitting a JCL for compiling. Okay, so for compile is joblib compilation. So this is my JCL to compile the COBOL program. So in this case, in members, I'm gonna declare the program that I'm gonna compile. COB002. Where is located? This is located sourcelib in this library. Okay, and the compilation goes to loadlib. Here in this we're gonna find our COBOL program in matching language. Okay, compile it to be used for running the COBOL program. Now we're gonna submit it. So this is a return code for compilation. 0 it means that everything looks good. Okay, enter. We're gonna find the and spur the member made DRD. Okay, for this case we know that compilation is okay. Now we're gonna look at the loadlib, the compiled program. Let's go, and here we have our COBOL program. If we look at, you can see that this is the compilation. We can find the date that was compiled. 2022. Here 2022 11:15. Okay, so we're gonna use this location for running our COBOL program. Okay, now we're gonna go to the ACL for running the COBOL program. Let me find the library. Job lib. Okay, here we have run a COBOL program. Okay, let me find COBOL run this one. Okay, this is my ACL for running COBOL program. Name of the ACL made DRD. Okay, it's only one step. Step 01, execute what we're gonna execute. Okay, our program, in this case COBOL 002. Where is located our COBOL program? Okay, our COBOL program is located in this library. Okay, we're using step lead to the JCN is gonna look at this library. So we're declaring step lead to start looking at in this library for running a COBOL program. So sysout is gonna send the displays. Remember, we put a display sentences, so displays goes to sysout in this pool. Okay, it's gonna show me hello world, and that's it. We're gonna run. So here you can see made DRD submitted. We're gonna use this one to find the spool. Okay, everything looks good. Writing code 0. Now let's go to the spool. In this case, my spool is this one: spool search and display facility. Okay, for another system it's different, so you need to figure out what would be the spool for this for your system. Okay, in this case, now status of jobs. Okay, use st. Now here we have where else running. In this case, the last one is this one. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use this question mark to get inside of the spool. Okay, enter. Now you can see that we have several outputs. We have the sysout that we declare in the JCL, and we will be finding here the phrase hello world. Okay, that's the result. Okay, GES JCL, you can find the JCL. Okay, we run this one, COBOL 002, and our output is in this one. Okay, sysout. Okay, in this case we are not using any file from reading and writing, so we're gonna look at in another section. For this one, is gonna be pretty simple. Just create COBOL program, compile COBOL program, and run the COBOL program to show me the hello world. Okay, that's it for this first practice. Okay.